And just as I thought it was safe to click post on that last video, another parcel arrived. This is actually October now, so it's October the 3rd. And if you hear any extraneous noises in the background, I apologise. It's our first named storm of the year, Storm Amy, which is supposed to be quite bad later on tonight. But hopefully the power will stay on long enough for me to finish this video. Okay, more stuff from Aliexpress. Some of it is going to be model rail related, some less so. So let's get into it. Okay, this is one of the less so items. It's 3 bags of large capacitors. They're 35 volts and 2200 microfarads. Okay, that's for another project. There. Okay, more capacitors of a lower voltage and a lower capacity. Don't worry, I don't tend to make a habit of these unboxing videos. I just happen to have quite a few packets arrive at the same time, so I thought I would do these. I don't even know how to get into this one. No, I think I know what this is without opening it. Oh, come on. Yes. These are small 10-tooth gears to be used. Well, they have a 2mm internal diameter hole, and so they fit onto a 2mm axle, and you can use them for CD motor conversions of the old Hornby Ringfield motors. More capacitors, okay. Oh, speaking of gears, these are just what are they? Oh, speaking of gears, this is just an assortment of various different gears, various sizes, very modulus, and there's a couple of worms in there. I just bought that for experimenting with. Some of them may come in useful, I hope. Bags within bags. Ah, right, okay. Speaking of gears again, I have 3 brass gears. Again, 10 teeth for replacing the ones on a Hornby Ringfield motor. Some of the ones I have this these grey metal gears, which aren't very good. I shan't tell you the rude term that we use for type of metal, but anyway. Right, so partly I've got 4 of those gears. Right, these 2 are the same. So it's like a craft knife, but they're actually miniature saw blades, and they do include one scalpel type blade, or that comes complete with a handle, which is a bit, it feels a bit cheap. It's plastic, but it's fine, it'll do. Okay, in my last video I mentioned these 2-pin screw-in connectors. I've obviously ordered some more, and that's another packet just the same. Ordered 3 or something. Alright, okay, these are, speaking of Hornby Ringfield CD motor conversions, well, this is a CD motor, and it's got the longer spindle here. Some of them you get have really quite a short spindle, and this one takes this gear quite nicely. And I've got 3 of them. Strange, I thought I'd ordered more than that. Unless I just do them in packs of 3. Right, okay, back to the screw down connectors. These are, again, PCB mounting screw down connectors, but these are the 3-way ones. Very large packet. Very large packet. Oh, and more motors. 12 volt could be used as a replacement for a loco. I don't know the exact specifications of these, but I'll have a play with them and see if they're any use. I bought 4 of them. And finally, oh yes, okay, these are relay modules, and they're fairly standard these days. They're 8-way single pole relays. Are they single pole, single throw relays? I can never remember the terminology. They have a single connection in, and they either connect to one end or the other. And they're Arduino based, so they're Arduino compatible, in that you can drive them for 5 volts. And obviously you need to power them from a different power source. You don't want to go powering these from an Arduino. The Arduino won't be able to source the current that they'll require, so you need an external power supply. But I have an automation project in mind, and in order to get it working I need several relays. In fact several of these modules. Yeah, 4 of them. And that's it. I don't have anything else in the pipeline. I've spent enough money for 1 month. Hopefully I'll put a video out soon. I've got those locomotives that I bought. I'll give them a quick clean and a service, and see if I can get them running cleanly. Oh, I can hear the wind getting up outside. So, right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll hope to get another video out sometime soon. All the best. Bye.